Pwede kang tumira na dito actually. Kung mayaman ka at marami kang budget, dito ka na tumira for the rest of your life. Good evening guys, welcome to the vlog. So nandito kami ngayon sa Joy Nostalgia. Kasama ko si Don tsaka si Canlaon and we are here para mag-staycation kasi tomorrow is Father's Day. So naisip namin, we wanted to celebrate this special day. Kaya nag-check-in kami ngayon dito sa Joy Nostalgia. So I'm gonna show you itong room namin. So, pagpasok natin sa room, you will see agad yung parang small kitchen. So, ito, kumpleto. May lababo, may stove, and may oven. Tapos, meron na ring fridge. Tapos, kumpleto rin. May mga rice cooker, mga pangluto, coffee maker. Ito, may mga libre rin sila dito na tsaa at sugar at coffee. Tapos pag turn mo sa left pala, ito makikita mo kagad may malaking mirror. So, hi guys. Ayan. And then here, nandito yung sofa. Tapos may table dito. So, pwede kaming kumain dito if you want. Ayan. And then, nandito kagad yung dalawang beds. There. 2 beds. Actually, meron din king size bed pero hindi ko nakuha yung king size. Parang wala nang available. So, ito na lang twin room. Tapos, ito. Ang unan. Napakalambot. Ayan. Papasarap ang aming tulog. And then, here, meron ding malaking TV. Tapos, ito. Dito sa gilid, meron parang work area. May desk. So, pwede dito mag-set up ng work. And then, ikot tayo dito. Here, you will find... Oops! Ito yung gamit namin. Magulo. Anyway, dito you will find yung closet. What do we have here? May plancha doon. Ito, ironing board. May flashlights. And may bathrobe dito. Tapos dito sa kabilang closet, what do we have? May laundry basket, tsaka yung safety deposit box. May mga drawers din dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano laman. Ayan. So ito ulit. Yung closet nila ay may mga full-length mirror. So pagpasok naman dito sa kaliwa, nandito na kagad yung bathroom. So ito, yung toilet. Ayan. Tapos, the sink. Tapos dito sa left side merong TV. Yan, may blower din. Tapos may mga amenities na, ano ba to? Soap. Tapos, shower cup, cotton buds, Q-tips. Ayan, tapos ito naman yung shower room. Let me show you the shower room. There. Ang bango. Ito, may kasama ng shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. So, bali, itong room namin ay executive studio room. Actually, parang suite na siya kasi ito, kompleto na nga. Meron ng lutuan, may kitchen, may fridge. Tapos, nandun may parang sala area na rin. So, yeah. Pwede kang tumira na dito actually. Kung mayaman ka at marami kang budget, dito ka na tumira for the rest of your life. Kasi kompleto na. Pwede kayo magluto and all. So yeah, that is our room.
The next morning.
Siyempre, part ng staycation namin sa mga hotel is kumakain kami ng breakfast buffet nila. So, let us go sa kanilang restaurant and have breakfast there. Let us experience their breakfast buffet. Tara! So this is the name of the restaurant. It's Nostalgia Dining Lounge. There. Meron silang dress code dito. Bawal ang sleeveless, sleepwear, mga bathroom, tsaka bawal din ang flip-flops, tsaka bedroom sleepers.
Mr. Ivan. This way, please. Nico will assist you pa. Enjoy your breakfast.
Coffee, hot chocolate, tea as well.
So we are now here at the Nostalgia Lounge and Bar. So ito yung pinaka-restaurant nitong Joy Nostalgia. We'll have our breakfast na. Tara. Pero before pala tayo mag-breakfast, let me just tour you around the buffet area. Let's go. So here they have the bread area. So ito may croissant, may mga Danish bread, tsaka mga cheese roll siguro to. Pero ito meron din puto, ensaymada, and hindi ko alam kung ano to, pudding. And then right here, the usual breakfast menu. Bacon, grilled tomato, sausage, and baked beans. Tapos, if you want to heat your bread, nandito lang naman yung mga toasters. Tapos, we have butter and more bread options. Oh, may pancake din and toasties. Tapos, may mga jams here. We also have yogurt and cereal. So, may mga assorted nuts. We also have here siomai. Tapos, if you want congee, nandito yung mga condiments. And this is their congee here. Ayan, congee. Stir-fried noodles, they also have. And then if you want taho, look. Ayan, pwede tayong gumawa ng taho. Mamaya, gawa tayong taho. This is their egg station. Sunny side up. Boiled egg. Tsaka scrambled egg. There. So, dito ang mga fruits. May watermelon, pineapple, tsaka papaya. Tapos, may orange and apples din pala. Tapos, meron ding cheese and cold cuts. Tapos, they also have detox shots. Oh. Actually, parang uso yan sa mga Accor hotels. Laging meron detox shot. And then, if you want the lighter meals, meron din tayong salad. Ayan. May barley. Tapos, ayan. Iba't ibang salad. May couscous salad. Couscous. Social. Kasi ito, yung mga Pinoy options, Pinoy breakfast, we have here dilis, corned beef, morcon. Akala ko tapa. Tapos, we also have lumpiang Shanghai. And then, they also got here strawberry champurrado. Wow. And the usual chocolate champurrado. Meron din sila dito mga hams. Ano nga bang ham ito? Di ko alam. Tapos, here we have stir-fried veggies, tsaka mashed potato. In here, barbecue chicken, parang mga inasal. Pork picadillo. What's this? Chicken soup. Para sa sabaw, sa umaga. Pwede kang gumawa ng egg noodle soup. Tapos, ito, may beef din na soup. So, create your own noodles lang dito. Ayan yung mga ingredients. Just mix everything. Tapos here, syempre, di naman mawawala ang rice. We have steamed rice lang na plain, tsaka yang chow fried rice. Stir-fried fish. They also have it here. And then, what is this? Beef steak. Parang beef steak Tagalog. Pero, with mushrooms. Tapos, vegetable masala. Tsaka aloo gobi. Dawang tawag. So, that's basically it. Pero, eto pa pala. Nandito pa pala yung mga juices. So, we have orange juice, apple juice, and tsaka water. Meron din detox water. Tapos, another area here is, ano ba? Tea, if you want tea. Tapos, meron din mga nuts pa, syempre. Tapos, more fruits. And, ano to? Mango smoothie, ube smoothie, tsaka orange smoothie. Meron ding yogurt, tsaka mga fruit preserves. So, that is the breakfast area nitong Nostalgia Restaurant. So ito guys, we're done with our breakfast. So, just now go back to our room. In fairness, the food here, hindi sobrang dami, pero masarap naman yung sinuserve.
Later.
Ito, we're just having lunch. Ito, umorder kami ng beef rendang, tapos pesto na pasta, and then Hainanese chicken. Tapos, ginamit ko rin yung voucher namin ng welcome drink. So, ito pala yung signature drink nila, yung La Bernache. It's their signature cocktail daw dito sa Joy Nostalgia. And in fairness, masarap siya. It has alcohol, pero hindi naman lasang alcohol.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! We are on our way to the roof. Bale, ito yung restaurant ng Joy Nostalgia sa roof deck na itong building. So, tara, puntahan natin. Hey guys, ito, we are here ngayon sa roof, or the roof. Bale, ito yung rooftop restaurant. Itong Joy Nostalgia Hotel. Dito yan sa Ortigas. As you can see, tignan nyo. Look at the view. View ng Metro Manila. So, we're just here to spend the afternoon. It's Father's Day ngayon and we are celebrating. So, manonood kami ng sunset. Ayun. So, we decided to have snacks here na rin sa The Roof. So, to umorder kami ng 4 cheese pizza.